Hi guys, today I'm back here with a new video. It's the end of this year and I am with my usual rituals that I upgrade my props, I add up new stuffs every end of the year. So for the beginning, I am preparing it for the new year. I have picked up some random props from the prop store, Madras prop store. I would be sharing the link on the description down below. So I'll just show you what and all I have purchased, and let me show you that. So here I have this plant sort of thing. Not very sure what is it called. So you can actually share it. So yes, this is the first thing that came to my mind as soon as I saw. Let me show you what that is. Here we go. That is how it looks and what does it do. I'll show you. So let's take a bowl, and when you just keep up a bowl and just rotate it around, it has a very beautiful look to it. So this is what I am going to be using it for, and many multiple purposes. Let's see what am I going to do with it. As of now, as soon as I saw it, this is what came up to my mind, and I just picked this up. So that is the prop number one. That's the prop number one that I have picked it. Let's quickly go to the second one. Here it is. Oh, I've also got this one from Madras prop store, and it says, greetings, we may have the props, but it's you who gives life to them. Thank you for choosing Madras prop store. Loads of love, Jofi. Thank you, Jofi, for this. It's really cute. So I've picked up some random things as well. Let me show you one by one. So this is the first thing. Here, this is the supporting prop here for specifically chin up poses, or just like the hands up like that, those poses and all of that. This would come in handy. You don't really have to keep up cloths or something under the fur or under the cloth or the prop that you are using. In spite, you can just keep this set across and it'll be nice, safe and really good to use. So you can go with this one. I'd got this from there, and again here I have also picked up some flowers for the props that I can use. So this one is here. Okay, here it goes. If you could see, it has this nice vintage look. So again, this one I can use it for I have got another prop for which I have specifically taken it. I would show you why have I taken this for, so you can understand. Otherwise also you can just round it around or just put it across like that. So this is also a very beautiful piece which I have picked. And the next one, here these are little flowers which I have taken, and these are detachable flowers. See, you can like remove it and keep it for the newborn sessions inside a hard bowl shape or inside anything like that, next to the bed or something like that. Put it in a vase and something, because if you keep this entire thing it will look bigger. So I've picked up these. Now coming on to the clothes, I have picked a few of the rompers, I could say. These are the cute little rompers. Here, let me just show you. It comes along with a cute little bunny, teddy, or a toy, I can say, which has a scarf with it, and that's the cap. It's really nice. It's really soft. The material is really good though. So the baby would be really comfortable in it. So all of these I've been waiting for the upcoming babies. I have taken two pieces in this, which is one is this green and the other one is navy. It's blue. that again comes with a toy in it, and that is how the romper looks. Here we go. It's another very beautiful color. As soon as I saw it, I really liked it, so I just picked it up. And it also comes with the cap. So yeah, this is about the cloth that I have. And coming on next is a wrap. I don't know, I actually already got a gift hamper from them. I just got a gift as a New Year present from Madras Prop Store, which was almost the same material. It was a cream color one, but then I really like this texture and the color, so I just picked it up. I show you the same thing which they have actually given. So it came up to me with this beautiful box, so well decorated. I really appreciate as to how they had presented it up. It came up with a beautiful message. Here it is. That's the message. A beautiful scented candle. That's the candle. This is the wrap that I was talking to you about. Both of this is a little bit similar, but it has variations in it. See, a little box type, and this is a stretchy. It's a lined one. So again, I can use both, which is really nice. I really liked it. And they have also sent it. They have also sent a headband, a beautiful headband, and a pillow that I can use it for my newborn sessions. It's really nice. I really appreciate. I've got some couple of headbands. So what have I picked? I also have taken a wand, Harry Potter wand or stick, what do you call them as? Here is the Harry Potter wand. I'd actually ordered for it elsewhere, but then I never received it yet. So as when I just went, I randomly just saw this and I'm like, is that the Harry Potter wand? And they said yes. I just picked it up. And all of these are actually there on their Madras Prop Store website. You can definitely go ahead and check. So I've got a pair of 3 headbands. In white itself, you have variations. It's a pink base, it's just a nude, and it has a little bit of blue in it. So this is how it looks, and it says Madras Prop Store. It's a set of 5. The way they pack it up and send it across is really nice. So this is the set of 5. Headband, again nice and stretchy. It's in jersey stretchy material that they have put it. Really nice. It's a green. It comes with a color of green, maroon, yellow, purple, and pink. So these are the colors again. And I've just got one extra, which is of pearl. And this one I really liked it. I can actually use it as the headband for the baby, or even as a neck piece for like the elder people. In case it goes on well, I'm not very sure. Let's see how it goes. But this piece also is really pretty and nice. Something that we haven't seen. It's still unique, so I really got this as well. And yeah, next here I have got a fur. It's a curly fur or whatever it's called. It's in color parrot green. So this is how it looks. It's really nice and pretty. I can really use it under the bed or on some prop that I can put it. I can place it. It comes out really well. I picked for the I just picked one of these, and I have another one. Yes, this is the mat. So this is the fur and this is the mat. Here it is. So it's really nice and handmade. I really like the texture, and it looks really pretty when you keep on something on top of it. It gives you that look, that classy look when you have something here. So these are the things. I'm quickly showing you up because there are a lot many things. So I'm not taking much time. I've just got this one. It's a one. I haven't opened it. It's just this random one for Cake Smash session. So that is that one which I have. which I'm not really unwrapping it because I don't have time now. This one, this you guys, you really have to see. This is a mattress. Here, this is the set. It's a set of mattress and a pillow. That's a tiny little cute pillow, and the mattress really well made up, and the baby would definitely be really comfortable on it. That is how it looks. So I've taken this as well. And here guys, I have also picked like just two of the backdrops. I actually have a lot of backdrops right here. So all of a sudden I just wanted few because I have something upcoming. This is one of those. This is a honeybee backdrop. Looks, the material is really good, and they have come up with a new material. I don't know what is it called, but it's really nice and stretchy as well. Doesn't really get torn or something very soon. And then I'll show you. Hold on. I'm just placing it over just like that. That's the basket. That's the cap for it. Beautiful. It's really pretty. So we can fill it up, put the baby inside and keep it. So, hey guys, so look at this. What do you feel like? You can't really make out what it is, but it is actually a nest prop. Not sure the name again. So all of the names you can actually go to the website of Madras Prop Store and have a check. Not very good at the names. I've just picked up what I like. So the initial I had showed you a leaf prop. So initially I showed you a leaf prop. Why I purchased it is for this in specific. This with a nice fur or something like that, wrap it across and can place the baby in center. So that is the other prop. Here it is. This is how it looks. It's really nice. Coming on to the most awaiting prop. Let me show you what it is. I have to unwrap it. It is a star. This is how it looks. That's a beautiful star. There are many shapes. They are like moon, heart, and all of that I already have. This is something that actually is under process. I wanted to pick it up first and start working with it. So 2021, the first child, I'm gonna use this prop. It's a beautiful star and well made. The paint and everything is on point. This is how it looks. It's so good. The finishing is nice. So again, what am I gonna do with this is I'm gonna make the baby lie down inside. I'm gonna throw up some stars or a small little toy along with, and we can have some photo shoot in this one. So that's the star prop, the star bowl, or what do you call it as, that one. Here, so the clothing is not really done yet. I have also purchased, I also have bought these. So these are the beanbag cloth, the long stretchy one. So not many colors were available. It was actually out of stock. So but then I just saw one, and I actually like this material. It's good. You can use it for on the beanbag, and it comes up with the same matching wrap as well. So that is the wrap which we have. That is the set of it, and the wrap is actually nice and wide. You can really do wonders. So this is the cloth. I have another backdrop. I have a shoot which was actually booked last year somewhere in the mid for a first year birthday, and it is a Rapunzel theme. So for which I randomly just asked them if they have one of those for a Rapunzel theme, and they did. They said yes, they do. And here is what it looks like. So that is the one with the castle where she stayed in. That's nice, beautiful. This material is really new. It's really because the other canvas, the edges comes out, but this is really nice material. So I'm waiting to use this. Last but not the least, I have one more prop remaining. So that is the cot. It's the vintage cot, I suppose the name. Let's just open it up and see. We actually have to fix them up. Here is the last prop that I have taken from them. That is here it is. So I'll just quickly place this up and then I'll show you. So this is what I wanted to show you. It's a cot. It's a beautiful wooden colored cot. And why have I got the mattress? I'll show you. You can just simply keep this, or you can fit it inside this. Not necessary to put on a fur or a cloth on top. This already looks really classy. See, that is how it looks. So yes, that's it of what I have got from Madras Prop Store, and that is how their logo and things looks like. Yeah. So 2021, I'm really excited to use all of these and more. Not just every year I upgrade my props, but in between as well. But I always begin the year with the new props or equipments or something like that. So yes, this is what is the bunch of stuffs which I have randomly picked up from Madras Prop Store. So yes, I would be sharing all the pictures or the stories onto my Instagram handle or Facebook, or you can just follow me on Casper_photography_6. You can also follow me on Newborn Photography Bangalore. So all of this, I would be mentioning all the details and website details, all of these on the description down below. Please to go ahead and follow my page for more updates, and also towards the next year I would be sharing you tips on to the photography and specifically for the newborn, that how we can do it at home and things. So stay tuned for that and do follow me onto my pages. Until then, Happy New Year, stay blessed and stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.